Alright, go on and get in there. The dog's waiting. Alright. Get on up in there. You're good. Alright.
Is it this key that I'm holding?
The square one. Blue.
Yeah.
Yep. Put it in. You got it in there?
Do we do it like that?
Nope, the other way.
Because that's how we do it in the door. I'm used to that.
Alright, now don't turn it yet. Alright, well, yeah, you got it. Turn it once, just one click. Dash should light up. Alright, there you go. Now, pump the throttle. You know where the gas pedal is? Got it? Pump it all the way down. 1, 2, 3 times. You got it? Are you pumping it?
I just pumped it.
This is it. You got it? Put your foot on there. Alright, pump it all the way down. You got it? She's a beast. Alright. Here, we'll turn this on and make it a little easier to light up the dash. Alright. Pull this choke out a little bit. Where's it at? Right there. See that right there? Pull that out a little bit. You got it? Yeah, that's probably good. Alright, go ahead and turn the key. See what happens. She's been sitting for a long time. Got it?
It's not working.
Yeah, it is. Go ahead, turn it. Come on, baby. She's been sitting for a long time. There ain't no gas in the carburetor. Alright, let off of it. You gotta pump that gas again. Pump it real good. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can get some gas up in that carburetor. Alright, now turn the key. Go for it. Oh, there you go. Oh, almost. Gotta hit the gas a little bit. Alright, turn the key again. She's cold. Alright, let off. Alright, hit the gas. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Hit it. Oh, you didn't hit it in time.
Yes, it is.
Come on, turn that key. There you go. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Just like that, there you go. Oh, you got her now. Well, now, see, you gotta check the gauges. What's the oil pressure like?
It's almost on E.
Yeah, there's the oil pressure right there. You got good oil pressure? Oh yeah, we got great oil pressure. Cold. Good voltage. Alright, check that out. We'll let it run for a little bit. So there it is. Cold start video. 7-year-old Ajay. Dog just hanging out. We got the beast to go. 350 Chevy, bored out to 360. Cammed up. I guess we'll have to make a driving video next time.
Yeah, I should drive.
You want to drive it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it sometime. Can't do it at night. Alright, say adios.
Adios.